To customize Control Center on the iPhone 17, first of all, if you want to edit something, you will have to click and hold on the empty space or click on the plus in the left upper corner. So in my case, I'm gonna just click and hold it. And first of all, if you want to remove some shortcuts, you can just quickly do this by clicking on that minus icon in the left upper corner of every shortcut. If you want to change its size, over here you can find this bar. So you have to click and hold it and extend like you want. Now, if you want to change position of some icons, you will have to just click and hold it and also drag wherever you want. If you want to add some controls that are not here, you have to click to add a control. And if I want to get, for example, the screen recorder, I have to just tap on it and it's just over here. As you can see here, we can also find some other screens. If I want to get rid of them, I will have to just click here, but also I can change its size. So that's basically it. It's actually quite simple to customize it. You can just simply set it up to your preferences, and there's like 4 pages that you can customize completely to your preferences. Thanks for watching.